Right now, Duval County schools are trying to figure out how they can reopen schools safely, and parents are anxiously awaiting some answers so they can prepare. Action News Jax told you earlier this week the school district approved buying up to 33,000 masks for students and staff. School Superintendent Dr. Diana Greene says purchasing face masks and other personal protective equipment will allow them to reopen safely. Dr. Diana Greene joins us live on our air this morning. Good morning. Thank you, Dr. Greene, for joining us. You know, I know this is still being worked out, but how likely is it that we will see Duval kids back in classrooms in the fall? And what are some of the factors that you're considering?
Well, we have many factors that we must consider to ensure that we can open up in the fall and do it in a safe manner and also offer a high quality education. We have no idea what our students have been through over these last couple of months of being in quarantine or stay-at-home orders, and we have a great deal of compassion and concern that when we start back, we need to make sure we address their social emotional health, address what type of learning occurred, or where do we need to strengthen areas that may be of gaps. But we also have to ensure everyone is going to be safe on the campus. We have children who live with their grandparents. We have employees who have underlying medical conditions. We have a number of factors that have to be put into consideration to get to a place where we feel not only comfortable, but we can assure our families and our employees that when we open up, we've done everything to protect not only the children, but our employees.
Some parents are saying even if schools open back up, they want the option to continue some kind of distant learning because of, you know, they're frankly a little fearful about sending their kids back. How will the district support that option?
We currently have Duval Virtual Instruction Academy, and we have already sent that information out to parents, letting them know that they can register for, we call it DVIA, and that will allow them to take virtual classes if they are not comfortable sending their children back to school.
All right, we're almost out of time, but I have to ask this question. You know, the surveys out there talking about how do parents feel about social distancing and masks and that sort of thing. A lot of talk right now is that it just seems incredibly hard to enforce this kind of new normal in schools. And there's a bit of sadness that this could be the new normal for kids for a while. How do you address that? How realistic are some of the options you guys are considering right now?
Well, you address it by first understanding their concerns. This new normal is very disconcerting. It took time for the adults to even get used to this new normal. But the bottom line is, how can we balance offering an outstanding education and ensure that everyone is safe?
And when can parents know Duval's final decision on everything so they can start making some plans?
That will run through the summer. We will start with a workshop with our school board and through the months of June, but probably mid-July, the goal would be to have that information available for parents so that they can make decisions.
Dr. Greene, thank you. Good luck. We wish the best for